Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Jim, and he is a pretty cool, super handy guy. He's got a neat shop here behind his very special 1970 Chevrolet C10 short step-side pickup truck. Just about every inch of this 70 hot rod has been gone through, and I will point out some of the finer details. It's a lifetime California car. There is no rust. All the panels are original to the vehicle besides the tailgate, and I'll show you where the original one is, and the hood. But if you want the original hood, Jim will be happy to give it to you. But if you want the original tailgate, he may not give it to you. And I don't blame him. So what do we got? We got painted front bumpers. We got electric cooling fan. We got a 454 that's bored 30 over, which makes it a 461 cubic inch V8 engine. He's got Edelbrock AVS2 4-barrel carburetor. It's got roller rockers. It's got a Edelbrock RPM performance camshaft. It's got Performer RPM air gap, the intake. It's got finned aluminum valve covers. It's got a finned aluminum air cleaner. It's got a 7-quart oil pan. He's got MSD plug wires under the hood with a Mallory distributor. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Had it on the lift. I took a ton of undercarriage pictures. It is beautiful under there. And please check out that gallery at plattmotors.com. He's got the cowl induction hood that he added, but he's got the original. Jim doesn't cut corners, so he went with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. He's got a Daytona shifter. It's got tilt steering. He's got a leather wrap steering wheel that he did. It's got a center console. It's got a Sun Pro Super TAC 2 tachometer. It's got a retro sound, multimedia audio with Bluetooth connectivity. He's got a couple speakers in the doors. He's got bucket seats with seat belts, Pro Car. He said he bought it from Summit, I think. 12-bolt rear end with 371 posi traction gears. 15-inch steel wheels is what it looks like to me. Wrapped in Cooper Cobra radio GTs. Let's take a peek inside. Every inch of this truck has been gone through. It is in exceptional condition, in my opinion. It was painted here locally in Anderson. I do not believe that shop is open anymore. Sounds like the owner was maybe having some health issues. But this is one badass, beautiful truck. Jim put the sound deadening under the carpet. He said almost all the way to the windshield. He's got it in the back as well. And so it sounds good inside and out. There's your step side. let's be honest, it doesn't get much better than this. So if you're looking for the best of the best, you like these 70 Chevy trucks like I do, you should give me a call. My name's Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. My phone number is 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com is my email. plattmotors.com is the website. And gosh, I am happy and honored to take a vehicle this beautiful, this pristine, under my consignment program. You can also see my vehicles on Hemmings.com, ClassicCars.com, AutoTraderClassics.com, Classic.com, which is a great site with some neat valuation tools, and my own site, Platt Motors. Feel free to call or text me anytime. Check out the stills. I have 100 on most of the sites, except my website. They only let me put 50 on there. If you need anything extra, just let me know. If you want one that's done and has no current needs, you just get in and go. I mean, real turnkey, beautiful 70 Chevrolet C10 short step pickup truck. Then you should call me, Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I appreciate you looking at my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon. We'll fire it up and we'll take another short video of it running. And this is the next one up on the block. Call me anytime. Thanks again. Appreciate you guys. Take it easy. Later.